Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. It's another driving video. We call it what? City Drive. So we're right here at the Texaco Mary Brown's corner. Right on Constant Spring Road. That's where we're starting the video. We're gonna head on to Constant Spring Road, then head into Halfway Tree direction. So stay tuned and stay for the video. So we're now on Constant Spring Road, and we have the Oaklands gated community on the left. Mini plaza at the front, Oaklands Commercial Center, and they have a subway there. So we're now heading in the direction of Halfway Tree. So thanks for clicking on this video, guys, much appreciated. If you're new to the channel, if you've watched a few videos and haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. It's completely free. Remember to leave a comment as well. Share the video, and don't be afraid to press that like button. Alright, so intersection of Central Avenue, Shartwood Road, and Constant Spring Road. Alright, so this is the newly, how would you say, expanded. So it's now 4 lanes, and it's a complete redo. So it's the Constant Spring Road improvement project. That's what we're on right now. It took a while to be completed. Lots of complaints from motorists while they were working on it, but it's finished. Sidewalks, lighting, painting, good road, helping a lot with traffic. So this is the much improved Constant Spring Road. Alright, so we're heading into Halfway Tree. So stay tuned and enjoy the city drive. We have Dunrobin Avenue on the right. West King's House Road on the left, and this is where most of the plazas on Kingston Spring Road would start. One of the first one, been around for a while, is the King's Plaza on the left. And then we have plazas going all the way back to the clock, all the way back to the transport center. Just past Popeyes on the left. And then we have South Avenue on the left and the 7th Avenue Plaza just over there as well. Alright, so we have another Texaco on the right. And then we have a Lane Plaza on the left. The Village Plaza on the left. Twin Gates on the right. Courts on the right. Plaza, just passing that. Then we have Tropical Plaza. We have Kingston Spring Arcade, that was on the right. And then we have Central Plaza on the left. Sorry, on the right, and Premier Plaza on the left. Then we have the Pavilion, that is not a plaza setting but more an indoor mall. It's a Pavilion mall. And then we're almost at the transport center, almost in the middle of Halfway Tree. So it's a quick city drive coming from Kingston Spring Road, Mary Brown's Texaco, all the way into the heart of Halfway Tree. Just a quick city drive for you guys. So remember to like, remember to leave your comments. We have total Halfway Tree on the right, North Odeon Avenue on the left, Transport Center on the North Odeon Avenue on the right, Transport Center on the right. So one of the busiest intersection in Jamaica. Just past it, right at the transport center. You know, I hear people saying if they put the vaccine in KFC, you know, everybody is vaccinated. You know, Jamaicans really love KFC. Or most Jamaicans. I can't say everybody, so I would say most. Alright, so we're at the Halfway Tree clock. So thanks for clicking, guys. Thanks for watching. Definitely subscribe if you haven't yet done so. What are you waiting on? We're almost at 10,000. You know, be a part of the family before 10,000. We have person here from day one, from 10 subscribers, from 100, from 1,000. You know, join the family. Remember to leave a comment, share, and like the video as well.